From among the greatest blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon a believer is parents. From among the kabirum min kabair dhunub, from among the greatest sin after shirk is being undutiful towards the parents. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded us to be dutiful towards the parents. Whether it is male or a female, we have to follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in the Quran, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّهُ, and Allah has ordered us to worship none but Him. وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا, and to be dutiful towards the parents. إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِنْدَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا, and if one of them or both of them attain old age, فَلَا تَقُلْ لَهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا, and do not say uff at them or scold them. وَقُلْ لَهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا, rather address them with most beautiful words. Harming our parents verbally or by actions, it is not permissible upon us. It is haram upon us. And it is a wajib, compulsory, mandatory upon us to abandon these kind of acts. Because the parents has a right upon us, and this right is after the right of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What are the acts that we do knowingly or unknowingly in our daily life? What are those acts? What are those harmful acts that we do towards our parents? Number 1, making them cry. Number 2, threatening them and abusing them, scolding them. Number 3, glaring, rolling your eyes towards your parents. Number 4, not being submissive, not being obedient towards them. Number 5, being miserly, not spending upon them, being miserly upon them. Number 6, frowning at them, keeping your face frown towards your parents. Number 6, mentioning your favors upon them. Believe me, whatever favors you do, you can never fulfill any right of your parents. You can never do that. You can never fulfill your rights upon the parents. And how can you mention favors upon your parents? Mentioning your problems. Never ever mention your problems towards the parents. Because the moment you mention problems, they become sad. Number 10, to order them around. And last one, and this is one of the worst things that a child think for their parents, that is hoping for their death. Hoping for their death. We all have involved in one of these kind of acts every day. We are harming our parents verbally and with our actions. So we have to stay away from these kind of things. As I told you, parents are one of the greatest blessings upon us, and they are our doors to Jannah. And if you keep harming your parents, then you will get the displeasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah will be angry upon you. And Allah's anger is very dangerous. Ask those people who don't have parents, and when they go away from this life, you will regret that you couldn't do much for your parents. And this is our time to fulfill our rights towards them, to take care of them, to be submissive towards them, to talk to them nicely, to take care of all their needs. And this is the time we have. And once we pass this time, we will not get this time back again in our life. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from harming our parents. نسأل الله ثبات في الدين, and we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala steadfastness in the religion. Ameen.